welcome in another episode of Coding Dojo. Today we're gonna do a chain adding function. So this function is pretty simple. We're gonna just do add function, but in like a recursive way, kind of, and we wanna execute like this. So this execution, like the way it's executed, is called curling in JavaScript. Might be useful for an interview or something. So to use it, I will show you how to use like the basic version. Return function. Function is basically the second call. So this one, this example I will show you. Let's comment this, and it will take another argument. It will return n plus. Okay, and one simple examples. Okay, so as you see, it just takes and adds this second value to the first value, and we want to do it in the recursive way. So we're gonna call this add function in our code here. So we will try to do something like this. Not sure if it's gonna work. Yeah, but this one doesn't work because we go here, the console.log. And here we do n. Yeah, we will see that it doesn't go to the function here because it doesn't have this argument. So that's the problem here. You don't have this argument and it doesn't return the added value. So what we're trying to do right now is we're gonna use something called value of. It's a method value of, and this method will allows us to set up default value for this kind of operations. So basically we will do like, if we cannot achieve, if we don't have this argument, return default value. So it's kind of like take this variable or the default one, in our case will be n. Because the problem of this is it's like the ending of the it's like the ending, and we can add another. So we need to set up the default value, we return just the sum. And for this one, we return n. Okay, and let's check. So we want to return sum. Yeah, so now it's working. So now it's going same, but we have set the value of, so it will return when there's 3 at the end. So it returns the value. And yeah, let's uncomment these tests. It also works. Can do attempt. This works. What I will also do here is probably change it to bare code, so something like this. Should not go fancy. This. approach. Yeah. So let's try attempt one more time. So everything passes. Thank you for watching and see you in another episode.